Afghan English Academy.
He can't kill us. We have security guards.
He can't kill us. هغه نش کولای چې موږ ووژني. We have security guards. موږ د حفاظت ساتونکي لرو. Security guards ویل کېږي د حفاظت ساتونکي.
We have to be brave guys. Cheer up.
We have to be brave guys. موږ باید زړور اوسو ملګریو. Brave ویل کېږي زړور ته. Cheer up خوشاله شي.
Yes. We are brave. He can't hurt us now.
Yes ho, we are brave. موږ زړور یو. He can't hurt us now. هغه نش کولای چې موږ ته و زیان ورسوي. Hurt ویل کېږي زیان رسول.
What were you talking about?
What were you talking about? تاسو د څه باره کې خبرې کولې؟
We were talking about that killer. I hope police will arrest him soon.
We were talking about that killer. موږ د هغه قاتل باره کې خبرې کولې. Killer ویل کېږي قاتل ته، وژونکي ته. I hope زه امید لرم police will arrest him soon چې پولیس به هغه ډیر ژر په حراست کې ونیسي. Arrest ویل کېږي یو څوک په حراست کې نیول.
I hope so.
I hope so. زه هم امید لرم.
Let's go guys. We have to complete our assignment.
Let's go guys. راځئ چې لاړ شو ملګرو. We have to complete our assignment. موږ باید خپل کورنۍ دنده مکمله کو. Assignment ویل کېږي کورنۍ کار یا کورنۍ دنده چې د استاد لخوا ورکول شوی وي.
What are you saying?
What are you saying? دا تاسو وایه.
What happened to them? Why are they ignoring me?
What happened to them? په دوی باندې څه واقع شول؟ Why are they ignoring me? دوی ولې ما نظر انداز کوي؟ Ignore ویل کېږي ملګرو یو څوک نظر انداز کول.
Where are we going, guys?
Where are we going, guys? موږ چیرته روان یو ملګرو؟
We are going to the police station.
We are going to the police station. موږ پولیس سټیشن ته روان یو یعنی تانې ته روان یو.
Are we going to complain about Tony?
Are we going to complain about Tony? آیا موږ به د ټوني باره کې شکایت کوو؟ Complain ویل کېږي شکایت کول.
Yes. We have to do this. Tony can kill you.
Yes ho, we have to do this. موږ باید دا وکړو. Tony can kill you. Tony کولی شي چې تا ووژني.
I hope police will search that knife in his house.
I hope زه امید لرم police will search that knife in his house چې پولیس به هغه چاقو د هغه په کور کې پیدا کړي. Knife ویل کېږي چاقو ته.
Don't worry. Tony's game is over.
Don't worry. پریشانه کېږئ مه. Tony's game is over. د ټوني گیم ختم دی.
What are you doing here?
What are you doing here? تاسو دلته څه کوئ؟
We found the killer.
We found the killer. مون قاتل پیدا کړ.
Really? That's great. Who is he?
Really? په حقیقت سره that's great. دا خو ډیره ښه ده. Who is he? هغه څوک دی؟
Tony. Tony is the killer.
Tony is the killer. Tony قاتل دی.
Are you talking about your friend Tony?
Are you talking about your friend Tony? آیا تاسو د خپل ملګري ټوني باره کې خبرې کوئ؟
Yes. He is the killer.
Yes ho, he is the killer. هغه قاتل دی.
I found a sharp knife in his house. There was blood on it.
I found a sharp knife. ما یو تیره چاقو پیدا کړه. In his house د هغه په کور کې. There was blood on it. په هغه باندې وینه وه. Blood ویل کېږي وینې ته.
I want to see that knife.
I want to see that knife. زه غواړم چې هغه چاقو وینم.
Yeah, sure. We have to go Tony's home.
Yeah, sure. هو یقینا. We have to go Tony's home. موږ باید د ټوني کور ته لاړ شو.
I have to finish this chapter.
I have to finish this chapter. زه باید دغه پاڼه نوره ختمه کړم.
I saw a knife in that brown dresser.
I saw a knife. ما یو چاقو ولیدله in that brown dresser په هغه خړ دخل کې.
Let me check here.
Let me check here. اجازه راکړئ چې هغه زه وګورم.
Here it is. I told you Tony is the killer.
Here it is. دا دی. I told you ما تا ته وویلې Tony is the killer چې Tony قاتل دی.
This is the same knife that I found at areas.
This is the same knife. دا هماغه یو شان چاقو ده that I found چې هغه ما پیدا کړې وه at areas home د area په کور کې.
Home.
You know the killer. You must arrest him. I don't want to.
You know the killer. تاسو هغه قاتل پیژنئ یا you must arrest him. تاسو باید هغه ونیسئ یا I don't want to die. زه نه غواړم چې مړه شم. die ویل کېږي مړ کېدل.
Die.
Yes. Arrest Tony. You have proof now.
Yes ho arrest Tony. Tony ونیسئ یا you have proof now. تاسو اوس ثبوت لرئ یا proof ویل کېږي ثبوت ته.
Now.
You have to save us. He wants to kill.
You have to save us. تاسو باید موږ وژغورئ یا he wants to kill us. هغه غواړي چې موږ ووژني.
us.
Don't sweat it. I have proof. I will arrest
Don't sweat it. پریشانه کېږي ما I have proof. زه ثبوت لرم. I will arrest Tony. زه به ټوني په حراست کې ونیسم.
Tony.
He should be hanged.
What's going on
What's going on here? لس روان دي.
here?
Put your hands
Put your hands up. خپل لاسونه دي اوچت کا.
up.
Why? What's going
Why ولې What's going on here? لس روان دي.
on here?
We have known about
We have known about you. موږ ستا باره کې پوه شوي یو.
you.
You killed Arya and
You killed Arya and Cora. تا Arya او Cora وژلې ده.
Cora.
How could you do this? You are the
How could you do this? تا څنګه کولی شو تاسې وکړې؟ You are the killer. ته قاتل یې.
killer.
Have you lost your
Have you lost your mind? آیا تاسو خپل دماغ له لاسه ورکړی دی؟ Mind ویل کېږي دماغو ته.
mind? Why would I kill my
Why would I kill my own love? ما به خپله مینه ولې وژله؟
own love?
We found this sharp knife in
We found this sharp knife in your home. موږ دغه تیره چاقو ستا کور کې پیدا کړه.
your home. How did this knife
How did this knife come here? دغه چاقو دلته څنګه راغله؟
come here?
It does not belong to me. I swear I have not seen
It does not belong to me. دا په ما ورسې کوم تړاو نه لري. I swear زه قسم خورم I have not seen it before چې دا ما مخکې نه ده لیدلې.
it before.
I found this here. You have to
I found this here. ما دا دلته پیدا کړه. You have to come with me. ته باید له ما سره لاړ شي.
come with me.
Yes, officer. Take him to the
Yes officer. Who officer? I take him to the police station. هغه تاڼې ته بوزه.
police station.
He cannot be our friend.
He cannot be our friend. هغه زموږ ملګری نشي کېدلی. He is the killer. هغه قاتل دی.
He is the killer.
Why did you kill my friends? We want to
Why did you kill my friends? تا ولې زموږ ملګري وژله؟ We want to know the reason. موږ غواړو چې په دې وجه باندې پوه شو څه وجه وه. Reason ویل کېږي وجې ته.
know the reason.
You are under arrest. I am
You are under arrest. ته په حراست کې اوس یې. I am taking you in. زه تا دننه کوم.
taking you in.
No. You can't do this to me.
No, you can't do this to me. ته داسې له ما سره نشي کولی. I'm innocent. زه معصوم یم. بېګناه یم. Innocent ویل کېږي معصوم ته بېګناه ته.
I am innocent.
You are under arrest.
Listen to me. I did not
Listen to me. ما ته غوږ ونیسئ. I did not kill anybody. ما هیڅوک هم نه دي وژلي.
kill anybody.
You have the right
You have the right. ته حق لري to remain silent. چې خاموشه پاتې شي.
to remain silent.
You have
You have got the wrong guy. تاسو غلط حالک نیولی دی.
got the wrong guy. Get me out of here.
Get me out of here له دې ځای څخه مې وباسه. I'm innocent. زه معصوم یم، بې ګناه یم.
I am innocent.
Shut up.
Shut up. چوپ شه. We will decide. موږ به فیصله وکړو. Decide ویل کېږي فیصله کول.
We will decide.
Where is Ashley? Ashley چیرته ده؟
Where is Ashley?
She has gone.
She has gone. هغه تللې ده. She was tired. هغه ستړې وه.
She was tired.
Thank God police caught the killer.
She was really scared. هغه ډیره ډاره شوې وه. Scared ویل کېږي ډارېدل. Thank God شکر الله police caught the killer چې پولیس هغه قاتل ونیو.
Yes. I am also feeling good. We are safe now.
Yes, ho, I am also feeling good. زه هم ښه احساس کوم. We are safe now. موږ اوس محفوظه یو.
The rain stopped. I should go now.
The rain stopped. باران ودرېده. I should go now. زه باید اوس لاړه شم.
Wait. I want to say something.
Wait, انتظار وکړه. I want to say something. زه غواړم چې تا ته یو څه ووایم.
Yes. I am listening.
Yes, ho, I am listening. ما درته غوږ نیولی.
I love you. I really love you.
I love you. زه له تا سره مینه کوم. I really love you. زه تا سره په حقیقت سره مینه کوم.
What? Are you for real?
What, so? Are you for real? آیا دا حقیقی ته؟
Yes. I wanted to tell you before. I can't live without you.
Yes, ho, I wanted. ما غوښتل to tell you before چې تا ته مخکې ووایم. I can't live without you. زه ستا نه بغیر نشم اوسېدلی.
I love you too.
I love you too. زه هم له تا سره مینه کوم.
Good night. See you tomorrow.
Good night. ښه شپه ولرې. See you tomorrow. سبا ته وګورو.
See you. Take care.
See you. ګورو به. Take care. خیال دې ساته.
I will propose Jacob tomorrow.
I will propose Jacob tomorrow. زه به سبا ته جیکب ته د واده وړاندیز به ورته وکړم. Propose ویل کېږي یو چا ته د واده وړاندیز کول.
The killer is in jail. Everything is fine.
The killer is in jail. قاتل په جیل کې ده. Everything is fine. هر څه ټیک دي.
I love you, Jacob.
I love you, Jacob. زه له تا سره مینه کوم جیکب.
What happened to the lights?
What happened to the lights? په دې برقونو باندې څه وشول؟ Lights ویل کېږي برقونه.
What's that noise?
What's that noise? هغه شور د چی و. Noise ویل کېږي شور ته.
No, please. Don't kill me.
No, please. نه مهرباني وکړه. Don't kill me. ما مه وژنه.
Who are you?
Who are you to څوک یې؟
Are you Tony? Show your face.
Are you Tony? آیا ته ټوني یې؟ Show your face. مخ دې ښکاره کړه.
No, no. Please. Don't kill me.
No, no, please. Don't kill me. ما مه وژنه.
Ashley. It's me. Elizabeth. Open the door.
Ashley, it's me. دا زه یم. Elizabeth یم. Open the door. دروازه خلاصه کړه.
Ashley. Who was here?
Ashley, who was here? د څوک و؟
Did Tony come here? What happened?
Did Tony come here? آیا ټوني دلته راغلی و؟ What happened? څه واقع شول؟
I did not see his face. I don't know him.
I did not see his face. ما د هغه مخ ونه لیده. I don't know him. زه هغه نه پیژنم.
No, no. I will take you to the hospital.
No, no. I will take you to the hospital. زه به تا هسپتال ته یوسم.
What? This cannot be happening. Tony is here.
What, sir? This cannot be happening. دا نشي واقع کېدلی. Tony دی here. Tony خو دلته دی.
That's mean. Tony is not the killer.
That's mean. دی مطلب دا دی Tony is not the killer چې Tony قاتل نه دی.
That killer killed Ashley. I am here. Please come here.
That killer killed Ashley. قاتل Ashley ووژله. I am here. زه دلته یم. Please come here. مهرباني وکړه دلته راشه.
Don't panic. I am coming.
Don't panic. ډارېږه مه. I am coming. زه درځمه. Panic ویل کېږي ډارېدل.
I am sorry, Tony.
I told you. I was not that killer. The killer put that knife in my house.
I told you ما تا ته وویلې کنه. I was not that killer. زه هغه قاتل نه وم. That killer put that knife in my house. هغه قاتل هغه چاقو زما په کور کې ایښې وه.
That killer has gone too far. We could not save your friends.
That killer has gone too far. هغه قاتل خو ډېر لرې تللی دی. We could not save your friends. موږ نشو کولی چې ستاسو ملګري بچ کړو.
I will find that killer.
I will find that killer. زه به هغه قاتل پیدا کړم.
Someone is in the living room. The killer must be here.
Someone is in the living room. یو څوک هلته د اوسېدو کوټه کې شته ده. The killer must be here. قاتل به ضرور دلته وي.
If you love this video, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and watch this next video. I know you are gonna love it.